Okay, here another question for November 19. A liquid glass thermometer is placed in some ice is made from pure water, and the ice is heated, it changes to the water and then to steam. As you can see from the graph down, that's what will happen. The graph shows 6.1. Temperature varies with the time. The values of the temperature are missing from the y-axis. Temperature, and on the x-axis is the time per minute. On figure 6.1, suggest a value for the temperature at each of the 3 points marked on the y-axis. Type. We already know that we started here. He said that we started with an ice. So we started here as a solid, and then the temperature increased, and then at a point the temperature stays the same of the solid. So it means that here a melting occurs, and the melting takes place at 0 degrees Celsius. And up what happens is that the value of the temperature will increase until a point where also the temperature will stay the same. So at this temperature, we shall know that this is the boiling point where the temperature will be 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, so the two temperature that we could state is that here 100 and down is the 0. Type. What about the temperature in between, the third one? If you are going to see here 0 and here 100, between them you will see that we will have a 5 small square, which means 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3, and then a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then a 10. It's made of 5 squares, so each small square will be a 2. For example, here 2, 4, 6, 8, and then a 10, and then 20, and then a 30, and then 30, 32, 34, 36. So here it's a 36, and 38, and then a 40. And as we go on till we reach the 100. So here it will be 36 degrees Celsius. Then moving on to the next questions. In both section X and Y, the line of the graph is still horizontal. For each section, state the name of the process taking place and explain what's happening to the molecule. At section X, what's happening to the molecules? At section X, as you can see, the energy stays the same, or the temperature stays the same. So it means that we are moving from something solid to a key that will change to a liquid. Means that something happening here which is melting. And during the melting process, what will happen? Let's go down and see. Name will be melting. Melting. And then the explanation is that solid, the ice will gain energy, vibrate faster, overcome the intermolecular force, or you can say the bonds, so change from solid to liquid. Okay, that's the explanation for this part regarding the melting. Section Y, what will happen? Name and explanation. Let's see, where is section Y? Section Y is when we are moving from liquid, and I think at the end of the section Y we will have a gas, so it will be like this. So here the boiling state. Okay, let's see what's happening during the boiling state, or the boiling stage. Okay, the name, boiling, and then the explanation. Liquid will gain energy, again move faster, overcome the intermolecular forces أو bonds, and then escape to the surrounding in a form of water vapor. That's all for this part, section Y and section X. Thank you so much.